Assalamu alaikum and a lovely, lovely, lovely morning to all of my students and whoever is watching this video right now. I hope and pray that you're all in your very, very good health with a lot of energy, enthusiasm, and you have started your day with the gratitude. So another beautiful day ahead. Now days are getting longer, and they're getting hotter. So we need to take care of our selves in summers as well. It's very important to drink a lot of water, to hydrate yourself. That is the most important thing in summers, because our body, when we sweat, so the moisture gets away. So we need to hydrate our body. Use watermelons. That is a really good source to hydrate your body. Drink a lot of water. But as I told you before, please do not use plastic bottles because now that they're not healthy. I think this is the time we should like switch to the healthy lifestyle, and that even includes the utensils we use in the kitchen, the bottles we drink water from. So you need to look into that as well. Then there are like some fruits which helps your body hydrate, and they are very important for energy. You can have milkshake, mango milkshake. Yeah, that is the favorite of most of all of us. Then we have, watermelon is the big source to hydrate yourself. So please eat watermelon for even breakfast as well. And that gives you a very cool feeling. And there are a lot of other fruits as well for the summers. Yes, there are peaches, very good. You can even eat the peach like that, or even you can make a juice out of that. Okay, so please do that. Take care of yourself, and when you're going out, please cover yourself and protect yourself from the sunlight, from the UV rays, the top of your head as well, and your skin too, because that's very important to take care of all these things. And yes, another thing, if you're going out to play or to maybe cycling, so when you come back, let your body settle down, the temperature gets normal, and then drink water like after like 2, 3, 5 minutes, and do not take shower right after you come from outside. That is really dangerous. All right, so because the inner temperature and the outer temperature, then that collapses somewhere. So please take care of all these things, take care of yourselves, and keep washing your hands and wearing the mask when you go out. Okay, so today we are going to do the alphabet for today, because this is our literacy class, and we did a U before. We did a small U the other day, and today we are going to do the capital A. So there is a very small difference in capital and small U, right? So we are going to just have a look at that. We did a small U before, and there was a curve in that, a little curve. So I'm just going to show you the capital U, and the only difference is there is no extra line in that, right? Yes, this is the alphabet for today, the capital U, right? So this goes like this, both ways, right? So, but we started from the left side, from this side, like this, U. So this is just a stroke, one stroke alphabet. And this starts from here, goes down, make a curve, and then goes up. That's very easy, right? So it's a very easy alphabet to do it, because this is one stroke. And the picture we discussed before were U for umbrella. Remember we did that? Umbrella, and we did a U for we did unicorn. Unicorn. This is also kids' very favorite character. Kids love it, and they have their birthday party themes as well of unicorn. So we did these two pictures. because I couldn't find many pictures of you. We can say U for up, going up. You have seen the sign near the road, and we have done that before, that says U and then turn. So U-turn is, you see the shape, if you're going on the road like this, so when you're going to take U-turn, you're going straight, then you're going to turn the car, and then you're going to, again, you have come up to the parallel road. So that means this is called U-turn, right? There is right turn. If the right turn is like you're going to go over there on the road, if it's left turn, you're going to go there on the road. And if you're going to take U-turn, you will be going there, you will take turn, and you will again come parallel to the same road you were going through. Now you are on the other side of the road. So this means take the U-turn and come again on the same road, which is parallel to the road you were going on, right? See, these are the two parallel roads. We're going there, and we have to come to this side. We don't have to go to right. We even don't have to go to left. So yeah, we are taking U-turn, going and turning the car and coming up on the road, the parallel road to this, right? So U-turn is also, that means that starts with U, okay? So I'm going to just put this over here. And now we are going to take out our book, Alphabet Fun, this one. Yeah, our blue dino, our flying blue dino. Yes, please take that out. Yeah. And page number 22. We did 22 yesterday, I remember. 22, TWENTY, 20, and TWO2. Remember? Yes, we did 22. Okay. So you're all on page number 22? Okay, good. You can see a picture of a person who is raising his arm and doing it like this, right? I think most of you, especially boys, they know the sports cricket. Yes, do you all know? Okay, that's great. So in every sports, there is a person who judges the whole sport, and he gives the instructions, and you have to obey whatever he's saying. So there are referees, there are yeah, I think in football also there are referees, in wrestling there are referees. So in cricket, there are umpires, right? So this is the person which is showing something, and this is the umpire, right? So umpire shows you different actions to tell you that what he wants to say. He does not speak anything. He just show, as in football, the referee shows you the card, the green card, the yellow card, the red card, I think the orange card as well, I'm not sure, right? So they show you the card. So red card means out of the field, right? So in the same way, the umpire, this tells you, like, I hope you know this, if he is holding his finger like this, what does that mean? That means the person who's playing is out. So umpire can give you out, right? And then if there is a sixer, he pulls both his arms up, hands up, and if it's 4, they do like this. So you all know. So this is that person in the cricket ground who gives the instructions. He's watching the sports carefully, and he's telling you whether you're out or you're not out, or whether if it's 6, or whether you're catch out. I think this is out. That means catch out, for run out. This is the only action, right? So there are different actions which this person do, who is called an umpire, right? So umpire is in the cricket ground. He observes the game, and he tells you what you have to do. Okay, so and now the technology has improved, so there is a second opinion as well. They ask the camera to tell us that what is happening, what happened at that time, whether the person is really out or not. So this is umpire that starts with U, right? So first of all, we are just going to do tracing with the finger, right? Tracing with the finger, coming down, making a curve, then going up. Very easy. Only one stroke, very easy. Just a vertical line, which is coming down, making a curve, and then going up. Vertical line, going down, making a curve, and then going up. Okay? Again, there's a line, vertical line, making a curve, and then going up. It's very easy. So put your books flat on the table, right? Hold your pencils in your hand. Okay, hold the pencils in your hand and start tracing. U. Again, very easy, very, very easy. But sit properly, pencil, hold the pencil properly, put the book flat on the table so you'll be able to sit perfectly, comfortably, so you can write nicely, right? And that's great. So you're going to trace U first. Push it a little harder, not much, a little harder, so that will be obvious on the screen to see for everybody else, right? Okay. Done? Okay, that's great. Now show it to me. Okay, perfect, perfect. That's nice. Okay. Now we have done the big U over here, and now we are going to do the U's on the lines over here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now you're going to write a trace line number 1 and line number 2 over here, right? Okay. Now start tracing. Very easy. Start with the red dot and just go above the line and finish. Start from the red dot, go line and finish, right? Is it easy for you? Okay, that's great. Super great, amazing. Umpire wears the full white dress. He does not wear a green cap. I don't know. I have never seen him wearing a green hat or cap. But you can color him whatever you want to. That's okay. I think he doesn't mind that. Okay. So line number 1, U. Oh, yes. But that U does not start from letter U. Let's start with some other letter, which we will discuss later. Okay. U. Okay. So do these as well. Okay. So you're done? Easy? Okay, that's great. Now there is another exercise that says draw lines to match each capital U to the cricket umpire. Okay, so there are, they have given the U's. Okay, now have a look at this and look at the picture and tell us how many U's, how many U do you see over here? Because I just have to check one thing and tell you is that, yeah. Okay, there are all of the same shape, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only this one is a little smaller, but though it does not have the line over here, so we are going to consider this as well, the capital U. Okay, so how many U's do we see over here? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? We have 5 U's over here. So what you're going to do is you're only going to trace the line from U towards the umpire or from the umpire towards U letter and trace on the line, right? There is one which is a little smaller, but that is also the capital U, right? Okay, that's great. So draw the lines towards U, letter towards the cricket umpire, right? You can do either ways, whatever is comfortable for you, right? Okay. So which color are you going to do in this letter later on? Yeah, you're going to do the green color, right? So you're going to do you're going to color this hue green later on, and you can even color the empire as well if you want to. If you want to leave it like that, that's up to you. If you want to color it like this, that's up to you. If you want to color it a little different, that's up to you even, right? This is your book, this is your imagination, so use your imagination. If you want to leave it like that, if you like it this way, so that's even better. If you want to color it whatever the color you want, even that is better, right? So that's up to you. Okay, so we have done this for today. Okay, the letter U, we have done the small u as well, and we have done the capital U as well. We have done both. So V, W, X, Y, only 5 letters are left. Wow. We have done 21 letters. Okay, so only 5 are left. So that's so great. What happened to him? He just tilted like this. Okay, so I hope now you are very comfortable tracing, and you're enjoying it, because now you know the strokes. You know that you're going to start from the red dot and you're going to follow the arrows. And even if there is no red dot and no arrows, you can even then do the tracing very nicely, right? uh, I want you to enjoy that. So when you're going to enjoy your work, you will love to do that. And when you will love to do that, the work will be very, very nice. It will be immaculate, very nice writing, very nice tracing. So I want you to enjoy that fully, right? So this was our literacy class today, in which we have done the letter U, and I'm going to say goodbye from this class now. Please, there's a reminder, a small reminder for you to, yes, please subscribe the channel. That is the only small favor we're asking for you, because we are making all the videos. Teachers are preparing amazing lectures for you. They're working really hard. So we want a little favor from you to just click the subscription button and give the videos a thumbs up. Yes, please give the videos a thumbs up, and do share it with your friends as well. Every single day, try to share something with your friends, with your family. So this is one of the things you should share with your friends. They're going to be very, very, very happy, right? So till we're going to see each other again, I'm going to say you goodbye and Allah Hafiz, but be safe, be happy, and be grateful for whatever you have. Okay, see you soon, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.